America trip, Part 8. After all the long drives, we finally slowed down and explored somewhere close to home. Welcome to Old Town San Diego. Quick fact, Old Town San Diego is known as the birthplace of California. It's where the first European settlement started back in 1769. Today, it's a historic park filled with Mexican culture, shops, and amazing food. For us, being here for the first time felt surreal. It honestly felt like we stepped into the world of Coco, one of our favorite movies.
We're looking for a living kid, about 12?
Have you seen a living boy?
We also saw the Whaley House, famously known as America's most haunted house. But yeah, we didn't go in. We took photos around the iconic signage, walked through the historic streets, and enjoyed every moment. Now, it's time to eat.
So right now, we got some foods inside. This is like an authentic Mexican Baja California cuisine. And this lady's right there, the Patronas de Jefas. They're doing their thing, making tortilla, crafting and showing to the public what tortilla making is. So yeah, let's try it inside.
Look at this place! The design is incredible. Warm lights, rustic wood, colorful Mexican decor. It really looks like you've been transported somewhere else. And then the music started.
Rolling. Come on, let's dance, everyone, let's dance. What's the song? Kevin, let's dance. Oh, Denzel, dance.
That first strum of the guitar gave us chills. There's just something special about live music, good food, and being together as a family. We tried different Mexican food and drinks, and honestly, everything was amazing. Before ending the night, we visited Fiesta de Reyes. It felt like a small Mexican village, full of colors, music, and little shops to explore. The kids absolutely loved it. From the flavors of the fruit to the colors of the streets and the beauty of the art, this place isn't just something you visit, it's something you feel. And just like that, we end another beautiful day. Up next, we visit the famous San Diego Zoo.